Hello YouTube, this is Stevo+Gamer in Euro Truck Simulator 2. Today we are going to head, all the way up to Liverpool from Swansea in my nice new truck. I have cheated because I've lost my original gameplay. I'm going to re-sort out numbers. I just want to get back to roughly where I was, not financially but with the equipment truck level. So I'll sort that out, and I hope you enjoy this drive. So I do hop back into the cab, once press the right button. I haven't played this game for a wee while. Got my truck IR set up, as you may be seeing. I haven't quite got my steering wheel quite set up to how I want it yet. There's still stuff I'm having to use on my keyboard. I've got majority of it in, so I can look all the way around, look outside, and here we go. Steering wheel centered, happy days. And let's take her out. I'm trying today without any of the mirror assist bits on today. Normally I would have the left hand mirror assisted in. I'm just trialling it. As you can see, I've got the inside cab mod here for all your decorations and your bobbing dog, and I put a skull up there. I was going to put the bat up there. I think the skull's pretty cool. Okay, so we're turning right out of here. So traffic came from the left. Okay, I think we can go now. And I'll be doing some more farm simulator stuff. I'm just doing this as a just to see, because I want to do this sort of game with like farm sim. I'll be still doing the squad stuff as well, but only, not occasionally, but when I can get stuff that's suitable. I'll ship an indicator on, let's stick my indicator back on there. And let's watch our speed a wee bit. Should be 30 through here. Let's hold it around there. Don't want to get too many speeding tickets. I say this is a real beautiful game. I've got the full unlock. I was going to have Pro mod on here, but I found the game kept crashing. So I need to find out why it's crashing, because it was the only mod on here. So, unless if I had a bit of a corrupt download or something, which it possibly could be. So I don't see why it shouldn't work. So what I might do, I might clear out I did have some mods on here originally, but I'll make sure mod folders all cleared out. And I should have pro mods set up then. So we'd like to get the Scottish side done. So I crawl up this hill. This is the 750 as well, so this is a powerful beast. FH. Bit overkill. I chose one of the heaviest things to take. Let's try not to go too fast. So I haven't played on this game for a wee while, so a lot of this is new, especially all the in-cam movements, but the graphics looks a lot better. I can't wait to get back up into Scandinavia. I have been on it with Scandinavia, my old account. I had to do I think it was an update that deleted off my my career path, which was fairly interesting. So I had a full out truck company set up as well. I had like 5 depots, loads of drivers, and every driver had pretty much a kitted out truck. I do like the Scania trucks. Not Scania. I do like Scanias, but I prefer Volvo personally. Sorry about that. I wasn't quite thinking what I was saying then. Let's slow up a wee bit here. At a point while the roads that drags out of Wales, well, the small, maybe not small roads, but small the A roads, which it is a beautiful countryside in Wales, I must admit. So I'm actually a trucker myself. Was in the army prior. What's this guy doing? Same as it in real life. Car drivers doing what they want. And in real life you wouldn't have all this on your windscreen either, like the Volvo flags. I could put a few more flags up if I wanted to, but I thought best not. As you can see, it's sort of impeding on my view a wee bit. I can't quite zoom past it. And it's right after this turn here. So I'm driving it in fully automatic, and I wouldn't mind to do it in geared, but in real life most trucks, including the ones I drive, well, certainly in my current company, are all automatics. But in my previous company I had a Scania R480, 440, off the top of my head. I think it's 480. And that was a manual. At the moment I'm driving all sorts of trucks at the moment, mainly Volvos. That's why I've actually come to like them. They are very nice trucks on the side. Very informative, very clever computer system on them. It pretty much fault finds anything from which individual light bulb to what if anything mechanical goes wrong, it will tell you what it is. And I'm not meaning it's bomb proof, it does have its errors. Most of them were not unreliable trucks I've seen, but certainly on the technical side, it must be Renaults. I do like the new Renaults to a degree, but at the same time I hate them. Even though actually they're owned, and not to get political here, by Volvo, but the issue is they have Volvo running gear underneath and Renault electrics. Not a good mixture. So it's a nice pass, this one. I do like the detail in this game as well. This is on absolute max everything. This is. Hey, look at my bobbing skull. I need to name my characters in my cab as well. So if anybody's wanting to name anything, obviously be polite, of course. So, or you want to name the skull something, or name the dog something, please inform me, leave a comment below, as they would say. So I would like to make a series on the Euro Truck Simulator. I will use different trucks as well. I'm going to probably have several accounts. I can probably try some mods out as well once I fully suss out the mod system and stop it crashing. And so far with mods in this game I don't have much luck. But I do want to try them. So there's a real nice FH, Volvo FH mod out there I've seen. I'm desperate to get that up and going. Just need to suss it out how to install that one in. I have prior tried to install that, but without any luck. It's like a rail. Oops, pay attention. So don't take your view off the road. I'm going a bit fast here, being a bit naughty. So I'm not too bothered if I'm late with this load. Even though at the speed I'm going, there's a good likelihood I might be early. Getting a bit carried away. I think this will be another good game to focus my channel on as well. So I want to have a bit of depth to my channel. I don't just focus on a game, or one game, shall I say. I want to have several that I can do. And the Farm Sim series, I do want to crack on with, same as doing the squad stuff. But squad stuff I'll do a bit of. I'll probably definitely have regular content of Farm Sim, and possibly even this, depending how I feel. The only thing with Truck Sim, because my job's truck driving, I'm not always in the mood to play it, even though I enjoy it deeply. But after being driving the real thing for a week, you'd be a bit worn out, and especially if you want to play, you need to get back from work. Normally I want to play something a bit different. I'm not going to get into politics of trucking either on this channel, as there is politics within trucking. I like to keep it always fun on the channel, not to get rid of within the industry nonsense. But if you have any queries, any questions about the industry, I'll try and answer them. But if I don't answer them, don't feel offended. At that moment I've got the, as you've seen at the beginning, I've got the Viking skin put on. Now I will say I'm going to get my channel art done this weekend. I won't guarantee it to be this weekend. I will try and get it done sometime. It's just when I can. At the moment, my free time this weekend is being spent doing this primarily. And I've had to pop out a few times today, and I'm going to be out again maybe tomorrow, but definitely Monday. So I get 3 days off, because I work 5 on, 3 off, just before anybody queries. So I do enjoy this game a lot. It's a really well put together game, you know, and I'm looking forward to the American Truck Sim as well. A bit of slow up. Level crossing. Let's let it cool down here a wee bit. There we go, didn't even have to stop. That's what you try and do in real life, is just let it roll forward, under control. I'm playing this with my G27 steering wheel and pedals as well, so I've got the force feedback, so if you hear any background noise, it's probably off my steering wheel. Yep, that's safe driving by that driver. Overtake on the bend. Yeah, in the UK, the speed limit on this road would be 50 now. I don't know if they've updated it in game, or otherwise what the speed signs recommend. And now on motorways we can do up to 60, but I think we have to stick to your limiters, so I always stick to your limiter, which is generally 56 or 90 kph. 56 miles an hour, just to be clear. Look at this, got a truck on the other road there, it's looking very realistic. Yep, I know I'm speeding here a wee bit, just try and make some distance. So I do want to start to build my truck company back up as well. I'm just trying to rediscover a few areas so I can get good recruitment opportunities and get some more garages. So I've based my company out of Cardiff, I believe, on this map. before I did have it at Dover, even though actually I would have preferred to have it at Port Town, ideally. It's then easier to get a job more continental. Yeah, better slow up here, just go for the roadworks. So it's was a bit of a nightmare on the motorways in the UK lately. A lot of roadworks going on with the M1 improvements going on, and also further up on the A1 being turned into the A1M now, which is all go, shall I say. Right, all legal, gone for our number. Just make some progress. Just so in panic there with truck about, even though he shouldn't know what we're up to. Let's do the brake on a wee bit there. Let's see if we can over. Still in the 30. I was going to go for a sneaky overtake. Yeah, we're on the M53 here. So obviously in game they're doing roadworks here. Probably upgrading it, improving it possibly. So yeah, cattle trailer, that one. Area. Whoop, caught speeding. Oh well. It's not that I don't have the money for it. Okay, yeah, we overtook him. Okay, let's turn back in. Always double check. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting the new Logitech steering wheel, but I'm just umming and ahhing about it at the moment. As far as I get, it's just more improved with a bit more controls on the steering wheel, which actually would be quite nice to have a bit more controls. Yeah, we're doing okay on fuel, we don't need to pop in there. Brake wise, I think we're okay. We'll have a little look-see shortly. That's our information. If there's any mods that you recommend, just please let me know. You know, if you would like to see them probably shown on here, if I can get them to work. So I'm going to try and get ProMod up and going. I just reckon it's either crashing or it's just misinstall. And also, if there's any trucks that you seriously want to see me in, you know, I'll try and get them. I haven't got all the garages yet in the shop, so I can't guarantee it at the moment, but I'll try my best. So if I can see a lot of people want to see, say, a Scania of some description, or another Volvo of some description, or even a Renault. If it's a Renault, don't expect me to be in it for too long. I'll give it a go though. Yeah, we're approaching Liverpool. Let's get my indicator on. All clear. Oop. Stay focused. Yeah, we're doing well. Making good time. And I think this will be a good series to do. So today we've done Cardiff to Liverpool. And just in time for the rain. I do love the rain effects in this game as well. Let's get my windscreen wipers on. And let's turn into here. So we're just outside Liverpool. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, it's a bit wet out there. Let's get headed with thunderstorm as well. Yeah, we're looking good in the mirrors there. And I think it's a bit more realistic me driving like this without the ansills up on display as well. So I want to keep it very realistic as well in this game, which I feel like I can do it better because it is a job I do this. And it is realistic in the sat-navs as well. You know, it's a very lucky driver to have a sat-nav built into his dash. And actually, for a long time, I might even try and reverse this in onto the bay as well. Nope, not going to give it up yet, mate. Gonna park it first. Let's do the truck driver thing. Put the brakes on. And you take it steady when you reverse. It's not about speed. And we're just straighten her up into the bay. Not perfect, but at least she's in. Okay, let's hop outside. Turn her off. And that's my Scania there. 750. I think it's called an 8x2 rear. Don't hold me to it. I've got on here. I've got the normal fuel tank variant on here. Not the ultra long distance one, but it does seem to be alright in the fuel. So I'll still do long distance stuff in this truck. But the modelling on this is very good. I do like it. And let's hop back in. And we just get trailer and let's see what we profited. Bosh. And yes, I know the level was unrealistic. I don't get a big kick out of this game for saying, oh, I've got to level such, which I've already done that several times, so now I just play, see what profit is, see if I run the company, and for the driving. So I say, today we've come up from Cardiff, or was it Swansea? I think it was actually Swansea we drove up from. All the way up there, as you can see, because it's the undiscovered route, long route done. Up to Liverpool. And next time, we'll find a different job. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like if you liked. And please comment below what you think. And yet again from Stevo+Gamer. This is Euro Truck Simulator 2, Swansea to Cardiff, or Swansea to Liverpool even, sorry for that. Hope you enjoyed it. Over and out.